Hi students, how are you? Okay, good evening everybody. My name is Somaras, Diamond Institute of Maths, Mathematics faculty. This functions topic. What is the subtopic? Subtopic is composite function. What is the composite function? Composite function is a function inside the function. Inside the function is called a composite function. Suppose for example, f of x is equal to x plus 3, g of x is equal to sin x. Okay, what the inside the function means f of g of x. F of g of x equal to f circle of g of x. F circle of g of x right here. Okay, f of g of x means here write the f of g of x value. F of g of x value means this is the f of x. F of x x plus is equal to write g of x equal 2 into g of x plus 3 by plus 3. Okay, this is the g of x value right here. G of x. Okay, this is a g of x plus is equal to g of x. This is the f of x. F of x means x plus is equal to g of x, right? What is the g of x value? Sin x equal to 2 sin x plus 3. This is the f of g of x value. Next, g of f of x value. G of f of x. What is the g of f of x value? Okay, g of f of x is equal to what is the g of x value? Sin x. X plus is equal to f of x value. X plus is equal to f of x value means sin of f of x. Sin of f of x. What is the f of x value? F of x is equal to this one equal to sin of f of x value equal to 2x plus 3. This is the g of f of x. G of f of x. Okay, next example 2. H of x is equal to root x and g of x is equal to cos x square plus 5. What is the h of g of x? H of g of x equal to h of g of x equal to x plus is equal to g of x, right? Square root of x plus is equal to g of x. G of x. What is the g of x value? Equal to square root of cos of x square plus 5. Cos of x square plus 5. Okay, this is the cos of x square plus 5 is equal to h of g of x. Okay, g of h of x. G of h of x value. G of h of x value. What is the g of x formula? G of x is equal to cos of x square plus 5. What is the x plus is equal to, right? X plus is equal to cos of x square means x plus is equal to h of x. H of x. X plus is equal to h of x whole square plus 5 equal to cos of h of x is equal to root x whole square is equal to this is the x root x. This is the root x. H of x is equal to root x. H of x whole square. Root x whole square means x plus 5. X plus 5. This is the our answer. Okay, understand? This is the composite function definition. Okay, listen. Okay, this is the question number 1, 2024 PYQ. Okay, if f of x is equal to 4x plus 3, 3x, 6x minus 4, x not equal to 2 by 5, and f of x equal to g of x, where g maps r2 minus set of 2 by 3 to r minus set of 2 by 3, then g of 4 equals to what? Okay, first option is equal to minus 19 by 20, second option is equal to 19 by 20, third option is equal to minus 4, fourth option is equal to 4. Okay, what is the given that value? Okay, this is the g of x. Given that f circle of f means f of x equal to g of x. F of x, you have find the f of x value. F of x means f of x. F of x. What is the f of x value? This is f of x is equal to, what is the f of x value? F of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4. Okay, this is the f of x. Okay, right, f of x means here write 4 into f of x. 4 into f of x plus 3 by 6 into f of x minus 4 equal to, what is the f of x value? This is the f of x value. Substitute here 4 into f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4 plus 3 by 6 into f of x is equal to 4x plus 3 by 6x minus 4 minus 4. Okay, simplify this one equal to 4 into 4 16x 4 3 are 12. Okay, 3 8 6 8 6 3 are 18 plus 18x. Next minus 4 into minus 12. Minus 12 by denominator 6x minus 4. Here also 6x minus 4 both are cancelled. Means 6 4s are 12. 6 4s are 24. 24x. 6 3s are 18 plus 18. Next 4 6s are 24 plus 24x. Next 4 4s are 16. Minus into minus plus 16. Plus 16. Okay, this is 6 4s are 24. This is the minus 24x. Minus 24x. Okay, downside 6x minus 4. This is also 6x minus 4. Both are cancelled. Okay, here 12 minus 12 plus 12 cancel. Here 24 also cancel. This is the 16 minus it equal 34x. This is the 34x by this is 34. This is 34. Both are cancel equal to x. Okay, this is the x value. F of x is equal to x. Okay, this is the x means this is the g of x is equal to x only. G of x is equal to x. Okay, this is g of x. F of x, f circle of f of x equal to g of x equal to what? This is the x. This is the x. What do you want here? G of 4 is equal to what? This is g of 4. G of 4 is equal to 4 only. X plus is equal to 4. This is also x equal to 4. Okay, find this value. Find this value means g circle of g of or g of x equal to what? Okay, right here g of x. Okay, 3 g's equal to what is this one? This is value equal to what? This is the 4 means g of 4 equal to what is the g of 4 value equal to g of 4 is equal to this is also 4. What is the g of 4 is equal to this is the 4. 4 is the our answer. 4 is our answer. Option 4 is correct. Option 4 is correct. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, understand? Copy this one. Okay, this is question number 2. Let f of x is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1. X belongs to R minus 0 minus 1 1. If f of n plus 1 x equal to f of f power n x. F power n x. For all n belongs to capital N, then f power 6 of x 6 of 6 plus f power 7 of 7 is equals to what? What is the given that here? Given that f of n plus 1 of x equal to f of n of x. What is the n value? You have to take n is equal to 1. That implies f square of x. F square of x is equal to f of x. F square of x is equal to f of x. Means this is f square of x is equal to f of f into f square of x. Okay, next put n is equal to 2. That implies 2 means f cube. F cube of x is equal to here also f of this is the f square of x. This is the f square of x. This is also f cube of x. Okay, understand? Okay, this is the our question. Okay, here what do you want here? First you have find the f square of x. Okay, what is the f square of x? What is the f of x? Given f of x is equal to what is the f of x? F of x is equal to x plus 1 x minus 1 by x plus 1. X minus 1 by x plus 1. This is the given f of x value. Okay, find first one equal to f square of x. F square of x equal to f of x. What is the f of x function? This is the x minus 1 by x plus 1. What is the f of x means here? X plus is equal to f of x minus 1 by here also x plus is equal to f of x plus 1. What is the f of x value? F of x is equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 by here also x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1. X minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1. Okay, simplify this one. Here x minus 1 this is minus of minus x minus 1 by downside also x plus 1 also same. Here x minus 1 this is the x plus 1. This is the x plus 1. Okay, minus x plus x cancel. Here minus 1 plus 1 cancel equal to minus 2 by 2x. 2 get cancel equal to minus 1 by x. What is this? Is answer equal to f square of x value. This is the f square of x. Okay, right. Next another one equal to f cube of x. F cube of x is equal to here right of f square of x. f of f square of x. What is the f square of x value? This is the minus 1 by x. This is the f of f square of x. Means here, right, this is the f square of x is equal to 1 by x. What is the our f of x is equal to x minus 1. Here x minus 1 plus equal to x plus is equal to minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x minus 1 by minus 1 by x minus 1 by x is the plus 1. Okay, simplify this one. Minus 1 minus x by here also minus 1 this is the plus x. Minus 1 plus x. Here minus is the common, means x plus 1. X plus 1 minus is the common, x plus 1. Here also minus is the common. Here also x minus 1. Okay, minus minus get cancel, equal to x plus 1 by x minus 1. F cube of x is equal to x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 1. F cube of x. Okay, next f over 4 of x. Find f over 4 of x. Find f over 4 of x. Okay, find f over 4 of x. Means here f over 4 of x equal to f of f cube of x. F of f cube of x. What is the f cube of x? This is the f cube of x. Okay, what is the f of x? Write this one in this case. Okay, right here equal to x plus x. Okay, f cube of x value is equal to x plus 1 by 1 minus x. Okay, right in this one x plus is equal to x plus 1 by 1 minus x. Here also x plus is equal to x plus 1 by 1 minus x, right? Here x plus 1 by 1 minus x. This is minus 1 by here also x plus 1 by 1 minus x. This is minus 1 or plus 1. Okay, simplify this one. This is the f over 4 of x. Okay, x plus 1 minus 1 plus x by this is also x plus 1 plus 1 minus x. Minus x plus 1 is the cancel. 1 cancel, equal to 2x by 2 cancel, equal to x. This is the f power of 4 of x. F over 4 of x is equal to x only. F over 4 of x is equal to x. Okay, this is the x. F over 4 of x is equal to x. Okay, f over 4 of x is equal to x. Okay, what is the find the value f over 6 of 6 and f over 7 of 7. F over 6 of 6 and f over 7 of 7. Okay, find this one, f over 6 of 6. F over 6 of 6 value. What is the f over 6? F over 6 of x value. F over 6 of x value equal to f square of into f over 4 of x, right? F square into f over 4 of x. F over 4 of x is equal to what? X. Equal to f over 4 of x is equal to x. F square of x is equal to what? F square of x is equal to minus 1 by x. This is the minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x. Okay, right. F over 6 of 6 value equal to here, right? 6 is equal to minus 1 by 6. This is the minus 1 by 6. F over 6 of 6 is equal to minus 1 by 6. Okay, next another one equal to f over 7. F over 7 of 7 equal to, this is right as f over 7 of 7 equal to right as f of 6. F over of 6. F over of 6 of x. F over of 6 of x. What is the f over of 6 of x is equal to minus 1 by x. Minus 1 by x means f of minus 1 by x. F of minus 1 by x. F of minus 1 by x is equal to what? F of minus 1 by x equal to f of minus 1 by x. Okay, this is right as minus 1 by x. X plus is equal to minus 1 by x equal to x plus is equal to minus 1 by x minus 1 by x plus is equal to minus 1 by x plus 1 equal to, simplify this one, x minus 1 minus x by x. This is the minus 1, this is the plus x, minus 1, this is the plus x. Okay, this is the value of f over 7 of 7. Okay, what is the f over 7 of 7 value? Substitute x plus is equal to 7. Minus 1 minus 7 by minus 1 plus 7 equal to minus 8 by 6. Minus 8 by 6. Okay, what is the value? Asking the value is equal to, this is the value equal to f over 6 of 6 plus f over 7 of 7 equal to what? F over 6 of 6 is equal to minus 1 by 6. This is the minus 8 by 6. What is the LCM? LCM is equal to 6. LCM is equal to 6. Minus 9 by 6. This is the minus 9 by 6. 3 2 times 3 times 2. 3 times equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 is the our answer. Minus 3 by 2. Option 2 is correct. Option 2 is correct. Okay. Copy this one. Okay, this is the question number 3, 2023 PYQ. If f of x is equal to tan 1 degree x plus log 1 2 3 base e x log 1 2 3 4 base e minus tan 1 degree. This is the tan 1 degree. What is the given f of x is equal to? What is the f of x value? F of x is equal to which options are least value? Find the least value of f of x plus f of 4 by x value. Least value. Find the least value. First option is equal to 8, second option is equal to 4, third option is equal to 2, fourth option is equal to 0. Okay, how to find this one? F of x is equal to tan 1 degree of x. Next plus log base e 1 2 3 log base e 1 2 3 by here x into log base e 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 minus log 1 degree minus log 1 degree. Okay, this is take as this is the ax, this is the b, this is the c, this is also a, both are same, log 1 degree log tan 1 degree only. Okay, write this one equal to f of x is equal to ax plus b by this is the cx minus a. What do you want here? F of x. You want f of x value. Find the f of x value. F of x equal to x plus is equal to f of x, right? A into f of x plus b by c into f of x minus a. Okay, simplify this one here. F of x is equal to a into f of x. A into f of x value equal to what is f of x? Ax plus b by cx minus a plus b by this is right as downside also c into x is equal to ax plus b f of x value ax plus b cx minus a. Okay, simplify this one. A into a square x a into b plus ab, next c into plus bcx minus ab by downside also acx plus bc minus acx minus of minus plus a square. Okay, acx is the cancel here, also ab also cancel here. What is the common here? X is the common means a square plus bc by here also what is the common here? Only bc plus a square or a square plus bc, okay, both are cancelled. What is the answer equal to? This is the x is the f of x is equal to x. F of x is equal to what? F of x equal to x. Okay, f of x is equal to x. Okay, what is the asking the question? Okay, f of x is equal to x. This is the 4 by x. What is the minimum value? Asking the minimum value. Okay, write this one is okay, what is asking the question? F of x plus f of 4 by x value. Okay, what is the f of x value equal to x? F of 4 by x value is equal to 4 by x. What is the formula here? am greater than or equal to gm, arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean, right here. Arithmetic mean is equal to x plus 4 by x by 2 greater than or equal to square root of x into 4 by x to x cancel. This is the greater than or equal to, this is the root 4, this is the greater than or equal to root 4 is equal to 2. Here 2 also is there. X plus 4 by x equal to 2 into 2 4. X plus 4 by x greater than or equal to 4 is the least value. Our answer is equal to 4. Option is equal to 2. This is the least value. Okay, least value, this one. This is the least value of am greater than or equal to gm formula. By using here am greater than or equal to gm, this is the option 2 is correct. Okay, this is Somaraj, mathematics faculty, Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, watch more videos, go to my channel and check my channel. You get the good result in the JEE mains and advanced examinations. Okay, thank you children, thank you for your watching. Okay, thank you.